What's been going on?
Little lady, hello.
Who said that?
You're looking cute as can be.
Is someone in there?
You're looking mighty sweet.
Seymour?
No, it ain't Seymour. It's me.
Oh my God!
Your friendly Audrey too. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe it!
Believe it, baby, it talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something is very wrong here.
Relax, go with it. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need me some water in the worst way. I mean, look at my branches. I'm a goner, honey. Come on and give me a drink. Hey, little lady, tonight.
You want water, right?
Should do I drink it straight?
Come on, try, poor thing.
Don't need no glass and no
I'll get the spray.
Don't need no twisted line.
No!
Now it's supper time. Relax and go with it, baby. It'll be easier. Go join your tennis friend, the Mushnick. They're out inside.
Audrey, no! Oh, get off of her! Get off of her! Please, no! Audrey, Audrey! Audrey, are you okay?
Yes. No.
Audrey, please, no, don't die. I need you.
And the strangest thing just now said Mushnick and Oren were already inside.
This is true. I did it. I fed them to it.
Metal made it so big and strong, and you so famous.
I've done terrible things, but not to you. Never to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.
What?
When I die, it should be very shortly. Give me to the plant so it can live and so you get all the great things you deserve.
No, you don't know what you're saying. You don't.
But I do. If I'm in the plant, then I'm part of the plant. So in a way, we'll always be together. You'll wash my tender leaves with smell, my sweet perfume. You'll water me and care for me and see me bud and bloom. And feeling strangely happy now, contented and serene. Oh, don't you see? Finally, I'll be somewhere that's green.